Welcome to DataCatchup YouTube channel. Hey, make sure to subscribe for data science empowered videos. What is the difference between R and Python? Both R and Python have vast software ecosystems and communities, so either language is suitable for almost any data science task. That said, there are some areas in which one is stronger than the other, where Python and R excel. 1. The majority of deep learning research is done in Python, so tools such as Keras and PyTorch have Python-first development. You can learn about these topics in Introduction to Deep Learning in Keras and Introduction to Deep Learning in PyTorch. While a lot of statistical modeling research is conducted in R, so there is a wider variety of model types to choose from. If you regularly have questions about the best way to model data, R is the better option. DataCamp has a large selection of courses on statistics with R. Another area where Python has an edge over R is in deploying models to other pieces of software. Python is a general-purpose programming language, so if you write an application in Python, the process of including your Python-based model is seamless. While R's functionality was developed with statisticians in mind, thereby giving it field-specific advantages such as great features for data visualization. The other big trick up R's sleeve is easy dashboard creation using Shiny. This enables people without much technical experience to create and publish dashboards to share with their colleagues. Python does have Dash as an alternative, but it's not as mature. 3. Python is often praised for being a general-purpose language with an easy-to-understand syntax. This list goes far from exhaustive, and experts endlessly debate which task can be done better in one language or another. Further, Python programmers and R programmers tend to borrow good ideas from each other. For example, Python's Plot9 data visualization package was inspired by R's ggplot2 package, and R's rvest web scraping package was inspired by Python's beautiful soup package. So eventually, the best ideas from either language find their way into the other, making both languages similarly useful and valuable. If you're too impatient to wait for a particular feature in your language of choice, it's also worth noting that there is excellent language interpretability between Python and R. That is, you can run R code from Python using the rpy2 package, and you can run Python code using R using Reticulate. That means all the features present in one language can be accessed from the other language. For example, the R version of deep learning package Keras actually calls Python. Likewise, RTouch calls PyTorch. Beyond features, the languages are sometimes used by different teams or individuals based on their backgrounds. Who uses Python? 1. Python was originally developed as a programming language for software development. The data science tools were added later, so people with a computer science or software development background might feel more comfortable using it. 2. Accordingly, transition from other programming languages like Java or C++ to Python is easier than the transition from those languages to R. Who uses R? R has a set of packages known as the tidyverse, which provide powerful yet easy-to-learn tools for importing, manipulating, visualizing, and reporting on data. Using these tools, people without any programming or data science experience, at least anecdotally, can become productive more quickly than in Python. 2. If you want to test this for yourself, try taking Introduction to Tidyverse, which overall, if you or your employees don't have a data science or programming background, R might make more sense. Wrapping up, so though it may be hard to know whether to use Python or R for data analysis, both are great options. One language isn't better than the other. It all depends on your use case and the questions you're trying to answer. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Interested in your career growth in data science? Visit DataCatchup.com. Also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science videos.